we did a show together. So the
Okay.
following is actually for the couple on screen.
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ, in life तो मतलब not at all. I wasn't expecting it to be all so positive.
खूबसूरत है तो खूबसूरत है. तो उसमें उसको I think accept करने में I don't think that there is anything
I
wrong.
don't think खूबसूरती is such a like it's a bit overrated and बहुत सारे खूबसूरत लोग. You just talked about the music as well. You did the चलते चलते
Yeah,
you know the cover,
right.
which is beautiful. This is Kritika Kamra and you're watching Bollywood Hangama.
Well, we have with us an actress who's been getting, I think, a superb response for her performance in Metro, and unanimously she has been appreciated, and it's time for her to just rock and roll. Kritika Kamra, pleasure having you back on Bollywood Hangama.
Thank you.
And so, what is the first reaction? A good film, good reactions. You've been unanimously appreciated by, I think, almost everyone in the film industry
Yeah.
has seen it, and people in general. But maybe the film does not do that well at the box office.
Yeah.
It's like a mixed feeling.
It is, and you said it. You said that whoever watched the film had good things to say, but I wish more people had really
Seen it.
gone and seen the film. But it is heartening to read good things, and let me tell you, I've read every single piece, every single review, every single reaction or tweet that came my way, and you know, whatever, good, bad, and all that, and it's heartening. I think when it doesn't do the kind of numbers that it was expected to do, I mean, these are things that you hold on to, and especially for me because it was my first film, and you know, I think all of us need that validation. Like, you need to know that you're doing something right, or you know what you're doing, and at least people don't think that you're a bad actor. So that that really helped me.
No, I think as far as the acting goes, anyways, because of your serials, you have a lot of popularity. I've experienced your fans, the way they tend to, all those fan clubs that you have.
No, I mean, I've worked a lot on television also, and there have, yes, there are some, you know, some people who've been like these loyal followers, and they've been very kind to me. They've been like watching all my, you know, things on TV, or whether this film and even my short films and stuff like that. So I've got I think that there is this group of people who really like me, and I'm really grateful for that. But you know, it's, to jab, when I didn't do the film, everybody, you know, nobody really said all these things, and now I remember, I mean, a lot of people are saying this, and I read it also a couple of places where they said that, oh, but you know, she's practiced on television, so she knows, and that's why she's good. But the film was a different ball game.
Absolutely. In fact, why I'm smiling is, so your fans also, you know, you get everything. So अभी क्या है that since इत्तेफाक की बात है, मैं उतना टीवी नहीं देखता हूँ, देख पाता हूँ बिकॉज हम लोग ऑलरेडी वी हैव अ प्लेट्स फुल. सो अभी कुछ चीज़ें हम लोग को नहीं पता होती हैं. सो अभी फैन से फिर ये भी पता चलता है कि दैट स्क्रीनिंग में कौन आया था एंड कौन से फ्लेम्स जो हैं रिकिंडल्ड हुए थे.
अच्छा.
एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. सो आई एम लाइक ओके दिस इज समथिंग दैट
मेरी स्क्रीनिंग पे तो कोई फ्लेम्स रिकिंडल नहीं हुए.
आई डोंट नो, लाइक राजीव खंडेलवाल और समथिंग.
Yeah, but we did a show together. So the following is actually for the couple on screen.
अच्छा, okay.
हाँ, in life तो मतलब not at all. He's a happily married man, and we are. In fact, I met him after ages, and it was very kind of him to come for the screening. I think a lot of people. Again, these are things that make you happy. A lot of people from the television industry gave me that support and a shout out, and on their own, you know, whether it was about the trailer or whether it was their reactions to the film or just coming to my screening. So yeah, and that has been my circle, and these are the people that I've kind of worked with in the last so many years. So you know, you're not necessarily in touch with everybody, but it really took like one invite or message to Rajiv to say ki, you know, I'd really like to show you the film, and he was there. So that's nice.
I think, you know, many a times these social media posts they can be misleading because
yeah,
I was like, okay,
you have
so
to take care of you have to see the hashtags. If the hashtags are about the character names, then it's
no, acha, maybe
in
I missed
TV
that.
anyway.
Maybe
you know, it's about the pairs, and it's about these hashtags. If you notice on social media.
Must be. All right, so. The music was really good. It was appreciated big time. Your performance was appreciated big time as well. Were you expecting the sort of response that you got for your performance personally?
I wasn't expecting anything, to be honest. It was like I had done my bit. So whatever. I mean, I was eager to know what people think, and I take feedback and criticism seriously. I mean, you know, whatever. I always have. So that's not something. I mean, I've not reached a point where I don't read reviews and or I think that it's not necessary or whatever. I think the stuff that people write in comments to me sometimes in my pictures, that's something I don't take seriously. But everything else that's written about my work, I read it at least. And yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be all so positive, you know. So like when I was reading things and when that paragraph about performance used to come, I used to be like, abhi kuch something is going to be, you know, said, and I was prepared for it also, because you can't please everybody and you can't be right, and I can't be right. It's my first film, I mean, but they were all kind. And
okay, so now what you're saying that the comments about your pictures is something that okay, तो वो तो खैर आपको पता ही है कि मैं तो खूबसूरत हुई,
नहीं
खूबसूरत तो मैं हुई, उसमें कौन सी नई बात है?
No, it's just like we were discussing just before this. It's basically you have to kind of block some things out or not take them seriously. I don't even block it actually. I just don't take it seriously. But when something is written about my performance, I do give it a I do give it attention and it matters to me.
But देखिए, अगर कोई खूबसूरत है तो खूबसूरत है, तो उसमें उसको I think accept करने में I don't think that there is anything wrong.
I don't think खूबसूरती such a like it's a bit overrated, and बहुत सारे खूबसूरत लोग हैं, especially in our field, and generally also I think there are too many good looking people and you can't really take credit for looking a certain way or being a certain way. But your skill is something that you work towards, तो उसका जो reward मिलता है वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा matter कर जाता है, which is why I think those comments I take seriously.
आध्यात्म की भी हम लोग बातें करते हैं टॉकिंग फिल्म्स पे. Okay. No, that's one. You know, one thing that I think really is very appealing about you is the way you carry yourself. I think it's extremely dignified, man. I think it's very important. You know that to just have that just maintain that dignity. It's extremely important, because I think that makes you look far more attractive, because you're drawing a certain line, and you want to be taken seriously because of your work. And I think, you know, I always tell to anyone from who's aspiring that, you know, that आपका बहुत important है कि that just have a certain certain line that this is what is going to be, and I'm not going to cross that, and take me for my work, which is something that is I think very remarkable about whatever you've been doing. And I'm sure that आपको offers तो definitely आ रहे होंगे. It's not that maybe the film hasn't done well at the box office. I'm sure that on television, a lot of people, they feel that it will do well on television and even the digital mediums.
I hope so. I mean, you just talked about the music as well. You did the Chalte Chalte, you know, the cover, which was beautiful. So the songs also, even after, like now the film is not in the theaters, but the songs are still kind of, they have a life. Again, that's good to see that people are still appreciating the songs or listening to them.
Very definitely. The music is very good.
I hope and I feel that when it comes on a digital platform or on TV, it finds a bit more audience. I also really wish that some people from the industry also sample it. I felt like the film got snubbed.
You felt that?
I felt like
maybe because too much of emphasis was on Man Marziya and
no, I don't think it was that. I think a lot of films released, including some Hollywood releases that weekend, and not just that. So I really want some people to kind of like sample it, and then they can like it or not like it. That's fine. But matlab, because I think also because of course I was involved in it, and you waited so long for the film to release, so you want it to at least reach an audience, and then it can be accepted or rejected. That's okay. You know, that's something I can make peace with. But I really would, you know, I felt like not enough people watched the film
within the industry.
Yeah,
I think that tends to happen. That people, I think, pick their favorites, and they tend to maybe talk about them, and maybe they don't talk about certain other film, which is I think a bit ironical. But maybe I think, you know, more efforts can have been made by the marketing team as far as you guys are concerned, to organize screenings and ask people to come.
Sure, because, I'm sure.
Many times,
again, you know, as an actor, you don't really have a say in all this. I mean, not me at this point. And these were things that I didn't even know. What I did believe, and I do believe, is that good content eventually, you know,
finds a place.
Yeah, finds a place. But that's what. So then when that belief sort of like gets a little shaken, then you're like, what just happened here? Otherwise, you know, that's what I've been, I mean, I signed the film also because of Nitin Kakkar, because of the script, and and it's not like it's not a hard hitting film. It's a very easy breezy kind of a film. So it doesn't have that kind of a shock value or even a social message or anything that's it's just a feel good film. So yeah, I think again that was one reason why maybe people just let it pass by.
Yeah, but maybe I think it will. I think any good film will find its way in the longer run. We've seen so many like Andaz Apna Apna and all those. They did not do well when they released, but now they're like iconic films. So many of them actually. Yeah. So all right. Now, what sort of offers have been coming your way since the time the movie has released?
Nothing that I've jumped at. There have been a few things. I mean, there are a few things, and there's television also. That's always going to be there. Thank God for that, actually. But as far as films are concerned, a lot of people told me to like immediately sign something else and sort of move on to something new. But I don't want to do that. I want to still, see what else comes my way and be able to pick the best, because I think that I won't get too many chances. I am not, I'm an outsider, and and I have a television baggage. So I have to constantly prove myself, and I need that much space. And I don't mean screen space by screen time, but I need those kind of roles where I can sort of do something with them. I don't want to, do films for the heck of doing films, or just to be called a film actor, or just, do one more film and then not be able to do anything. So I think it's important for me right now to be a little cautious and choose things wisely.
Definitely, and I think there are a lot of mediums other than that as well, like in terms of digital and so. Yeah. So digital medium is something that does that.
It really excites me. It really excites me. I've done a couple of short films, and I keep saying this. I did them when they were not so cool. Like the trend wasn't really like now. It's much. It's a much better market, and but they were fun at that time, and they sort of like gave me an idea of the power of that medium, and just the fact that again, good content on the web will also eventually reach, because we are consuming content on our phones these days. So I think eventually it reaches, and there was some organic good views on two of the films. So that's interesting. I think a web series, but again something meaty and interesting on the web would be good. I've done TV, I've done one film also. To try another medium will be absolutely great, because every medium I think teaches you something different. Sure. This is Kritika Kamra, and you're watching Bollywood Hungama.